In this video, I'll show you 3 legit websites where you can start earning today. Stay till the end because the last website pays the most. Website number 1, rev.com. rev.com is a platform where you get paid for transcribing audio into text. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Sign up and get approved to transcribe. Take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and Rev styling rules. If you're approved, you can start working right away. Step 2. Choose from available transcription jobs. You'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. Select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you prefer. Step 3. Get paid weekly via PayPal. As a transcriptionist, you'll get paid every Monday for all audio files transcribed and completed the prior week. Start earning by converting speech to text. Website number 2. GoTranscript.com. What is it? A transcription platform that hires freelancers worldwide. How it works. Take an easy test, just basic English and typing. Get access to hundreds of typing jobs. Earn weekly payouts for completed tasks. Earnings, 60 cents per audio minute, $36 per hour. Payment, Payoneer, JazzCash, EasyPaisa or PayPal. Enjoy flexible, remote work and competitive pay by joining our team of language experts. 40+ languages to deliver high-quality, human-made transcriptions and translations worldwide. Website number 3. SpeakWrite.com. SpeakWrite pays professional transcriptionists for typing audio files into text. Requires 60+ words per minute typing speed with 90% plus accuracy. Available for US and Canada or use VPN. If you're outside these countries, check Rev or GoTranscript. Work on legal, business, and general transcription projects. Earnings. $0.005 to $0.006 per word, averaging $15 to $20 per hour. Top earners make $3,000 plus per month working full-time. Payments are made via direct bank deposit or PayPal. Why choose SpeakWrite? Higher pay than most transcription platforms. More consistent work compared to platforms like Rev. Legal and business transcription opportunities. Don't forget to like, share,